In this video, I'll show you how to create and manage smart content rules in Hubspot. To get started, head over to your content and open the page you want to edit, or select the content you want to personalize. Let's open the page by clicking on its name. Once you're inside the editor, the next step is to create a smart rule. Click on the plus icon, then use the search bar to look for Smart Rule. You'll see it appear there. From here, you can click on Edit and make changes under the settings. Go to the Advanced options where you'll find code snippets, page style sheets, and links. From the editor, you can choose to make the content smart or add a smart rule directly. Then, select the rule based on the contact list you want to target. You can also click the icon to preview the content and add default content for contacts who don't match any rule. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this helped you understand how to create and manage smart content rules in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.